Mastering tag questions, adding confidence to your English conversations. Welcome to our English language learning video series. In this episode, we will explore an essential aspect of English intonation: tag questions. Tag questions are a powerful tool to express confidence, curiosity, or seek confirmation in conversations. By understanding how to use tag questions correctly, you'll be able to enhance your English fluency and communicate more effectively. So, let's dive into the world of tag questions and learn how to use them with finesse. Tag questions are short phrases added at the end of a statement to turn it into a question. They consist of an auxiliary verb and a pronoun, which usually match the subject of the sentence. Tag questions are used to confirm information, seek agreement, or express uncertainty. Example: statement, "You enjoy learning English." Tag question, "You enjoy learning English, don't you?" In this section, we'll explore the structure and usage of tag questions in detail, helping you grasp the concept with ease. To form tag questions, follow these simple steps. 1. Start with a statement. 2. Choose the appropriate auxiliary verb based on the tense and verb form of the statement. 3. Add the pronoun that matches the subject of the sentence. 4. If the statement is positive, use a negative tag question, and vice versa. Example: statement, "She is going to the party." Tag question, "She is going to the party, isn't she?" In this section, we'll walk through various examples and practice forming tag questions in different tenses and sentence structures. The intonation of tag questions plays a crucial role in conveying the intended meaning. Depending on the speaker's intention, tag questions can have a rising or falling intonation pattern. 1. Rising intonation. When a tag question has rising intonation, it is used to seek information, express curiosity, or show uncertainty. The pitch of your voice rises at the end of the question. Example: "You're coming to the party, aren't you?" 2. Falling intonation. Tag questions with falling intonation are used when seeking confirmation or expecting agreement. The pitch of your voice falls at the end of the question. Example: "You'll be there, won't you?" In this section, we'll explore these intonation patterns further and practice using them to convey different intentions effectively. Tag questions can also be used with imperatives, commands, to make them sound more polite or less forceful. When using tag questions with imperatives, we usually employ the same structure as in other tag questions, but with the appropriate auxiliary verb. Example: imperative, "Open the door." Tag question, "Open the door, will you?" In this section, we'll discuss the usage of tag questions with imperatives and how they can help you communicate more politely and effectively. Congratulations! You've learned the ins and outs of tag questions. Remember, mastering tag questions will give you the confidence to engage in meaningful English conversations. Practice using them in different contexts, pay attention to the intonation patterns, and observe how native speakers employ tag questions naturally. Keep up the great work, and soon you'll be using tag questions effortlessly to express yourself fluently in English. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.